Hello kids, are you ready? Let's play a fun game today at Kids Heaven Paradise TV. Can you find the numbers? Let's go! Hip, hip, hooray! Can you find the number 1? Look around, it's so much fun. Is it hiding? Can you see? Take a look. 1, 2, 3. There it is, the number 1. Great job, you found it, yay! Kids Heaven Paradise TV are proud of you. Can you find the number 2? It might be hiding just from you. Look up high or down below. Where it is, you'll surely know. Awesome, that was number 2. Clap your hands, you did it too. Can you find the number 3? Search around. 1, 2, 3. Peek around and take your time. Finding numbers is so fun. Yay! You found number 3. You're so smart. Hip, hip, hooray! Can you find the number 4? Maybe near the little door. Look around and don't be slow. You can find it. Go, go, go! Great! That's number 4. Let's keep going. Find some more. Can you find the number 5? Come on now, let's take a dive. Search around and use your eyes. You're doing great. What a surprise! Woohoo! Number 5 is here. Give a cheer. Hooray! Can you find the number 6? Look around. Quick, 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 quick. Up or down or side to side. Number 6 is trying to hide. Yes! Number 6 you found. You're the best. Jump around. Kids Heaven Paradise TV are proud of you. Keep it up. Can you find the number 7? It could be hiding up in heaven. Look around and take a peek. You're so smart. Seek and seek. Amazing. That is number 7. You're doing great. Count to heaven. Can you find the number 8? Don't be slow, don't be late. Round and round it loves to play. Find it now, hip hip hooray! Yay! You found number 8. You're doing awesome. Feels so great. Can you find the number 9? Take your time, you're doing fine. Look around, it's close to you. You can find it, yes you do. Fantastic, that's number 9. You're a star, you really shine. Can you find the number 10? Let's go searching once again. This is the last one, look around. Number 10 will soon be found. Wow, you found number 10. You did it all, let's cheer again. You found all the numbers today. Hip, 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 hooray! Come back soon and play again with your number-loving friends. Thank you for learning with us at Kids Heaven Paradise TV. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.